hokre.
Break meeting may abamo kana taram nokchari. Manipur ki masang na irba entrepreneur mo iriba babina group of companies ki CMD Dr. Thangzam DHABALI ki autobiography masung biography release tawkrai. Sang na irba pathologies asigi autobiography adugi mamingna Microscope to Milestone, a pathologist's journey beyond the lab. Kawi. Aduga biography adugi mamingna Korogi Mangal Kawi, Korogi Mangal Haidiba biography sina Manipur gi saknairaba columnist amasung writer Laurembam Oren Kumar na ibani Haidiba Lairig Ani asi Imphal gi Chingmairong da leiba classic granda ngarang numidang pangthokpa thorum amada release tawkibani. Lairig form gi thorum da Manipur University gi vice chancellor amasung RIMS ki director oiramba Khurai AC gi ex MLA Dr. NG Bizo yauna medicine academician literature na chingba singna sarukyaki. Dr. DHABALI na hai mahak yamna masak naiba miyoi ama oire haiduna autobiography asi ikibanate mahak ki icham chamna haurakhiba punsi wari amadi hauzik oirakliba punsi gi tangkak asigi matangda mahak ki imung manung amadi macha masu singda khanghaningbagi pandamda iba haukibani autobiography asi ikibani haina phongdoki loinana mahakna angang oringai matamdagi hauna mahaki punsigi luraba tanfam kayada mahapu mateng pangbirakhiba amadi pukning thogat pirakhiba miyoi singdasu Dr. DHABALI na thagat phongdoki
ai apawa mina chate ai yamna chamchamba mishakamani aduga autobiography ibagi maramdi aigi journey life ki journey da ek haurakpadagi na ngasi phawgi ningsingbada yamna maru oiba event sing do ina sum note torga laksabani sei kharase aduga matamda de sigumba autobiography ma igene je thajaramde ina han da plan tawjar masi sigumba memoirs ma iraga booklet macha ngom torga igi future generation ge ngang singi wena moina yengja hona ba yung gi wena thamgena khanjaramani adudagi scale je sum chawklatna iroi loibadadi sigi autobiography si 340 pages leiba adu nomapung phawa laikuma onre
Tharamadu Saruyakiba Dr. NG Bijoina Dr. DHABALI si mahaki mahiroi amo in harokibane mahiroi oiringai matamdagi hauna mahaida pukning changba afaba mahiroi ama oirakpada natana sana khonabadasu thawai yaropa misak amani haina thagatki.
He happened to be one of my favorite students, meritorious in the works of life, as observed since his student career till today. He stood third in final MBBS examination under Guwahati University. When under Guwahati University, 3 medical colleges were there, Guwahati, Silchar and Manipur. He happened to be a good sports person, represented the then regional medical college, now RIMS, in All India Medicos Indoor Games meet held at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. I wish him all the best in all his future endeavors. Let God bless him to fulfill his ambitious plans during his lifetime.